Over 40? Here's something most women are never told. There is one simple exercise that can help melt stubborn belly fat. And many women start noticing changes within 30 days. Not because it's extreme, not because it burns you out, but because after 40, the body responds differently to movement. Hormones shift, metabolism slows, and belly fat becomes more protective and harder to release. This is why long workouts and intense cardio often stop working, and why the right exercise matters more than doing more exercise. In this video, you'll discover the number one exercise that supports belly fat loss after 40. You'll learn why it works with your hormones instead of against them, and how just a few minutes a day can make a real difference. The best part? These exercises take minutes, require no equipment, and can be done anywhere, turning simple daily movement into long-term results. If you're over 40 and tired of doing everything right with little result, watch this first. Before we begin, share with us in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every single comment. Now, without any ado, let's start with number 5. Exercise number 5. Wall push UPS. Wall push-ups may look simple, but they are one of the most effective upper body exercises for women over 40. This movement activates the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, muscles that naturally lose strength with age. Research shows that maintaining upper body muscle mass helps increase daily calorie burn. It also supports better insulin response, which directly affects belly fat storage. Because wall push-ups are done standing and supported, they keep stress on the body low. This is important after 40, when high-stress exercise can raise cortisol and encourage the body to hold on to belly fat. As you press away from the wall, your core engages automatically to stabilize the body. This gentle activation improves posture, supports spinal alignment, and helps the midsection become more active throughout the day, not just during exercise. Wall push-ups teach the body strength without strain, and when the body feels safe, metabolism becomes more responsive. This is exactly the kind of signal the body needs to begin releasing stubborn belly fat after 40. Try a few slow repetitions today and notice how your arms, shoulders, and core feel. Comment below if you felt your midsection activating. We love hearing your experiences. Exercise number 4. Seated bicycle rotations. This is one of the safest and most effective core movements for women over 40. Seated bicycle rotations gently activate the deep abdominal muscles, especially the obliques and lower core, without putting pressure on the spine or joints. Research shows that engaging these deep core muscles improves insulin sensitivity. It also helps the body manage blood sugar more efficiently, which is crucial for reducing belly fat after 40. Because this movement is done seated, the body stays calm and supported. This matters because high-stress core exercises can raise cortisol, and elevated cortisol is strongly linked to stubborn belly fat in midlife women. As you rotate side to side, your core works in a controlled, rhythmic way. This improves circulation to the abdominal area, supports digestion, and helps wake up muscles that often become inactive with age or long sitting periods. The key is slow, intentional movement, not speed. When the core is activated gently and consistently, metabolism responds more cooperatively. This makes it easier for the body to release stored belly fat over time. Try a few slow rotations today and notice how your deep core muscles feel. Exercise number 3. Standing knee lifts with light resistance. After 40, the most effective exercise for belly fat isn't the one that leaves you exhausted. It's the one that reconnects large muscles, breathing, and balance all at once. This is why standing knee lifts with light resistance work so well. Research shows that movements combining the legs, core, and controlled breathing activate multiple muscle groups at once. This sends a powerful signal to your metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, and gently lowers cortisol, all key factors in releasing stubborn belly fat after 40. When you lift one knee at a time while standing, your body naturally stabilizes, balances, and engages the core. Adding light resistance increases muscle activation without stressing the joints or spiking stress hormones. This kind of movement mimics how the body is meant to move, upright, supported, and controlled. It's not about intensity. It's about coordination, muscle engagement, and hormonal safety. That's what makes this exercise different, and why many women notice changes within weeks when it's done consistently. Try a few slow knee lifts today and feel how your legs, core, and posture activate together. Exercise number 2, the metabolic bridge hold. After 40, many of the muscles, hormones, and fat-burning signals start to weaken. The metabolic bridge helps reconnect them. This exercise activates some of the largest muscle groups in the body: the glutes, hips, lower back, and core. Research shows that engaging these large muscles sends a powerful signal to increase metabolic activity and improve insulin sensitivity, which is critical for belly fat loss after 40. When these muscles are inactive, the body shifts into fat storage mode. Holding a gentle bridge position tells the body it's safe to burn energy again. This exercise is especially effective for women in perimenopause and menopause. It helps support estrogen-related muscle loss and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means fewer insulin spikes and fewer signals to store fat around the belly. The key is not intensity, it's duration and calm control. By holding the bridge position while breathing steadily, you activate fat-burning muscles without triggering stress hormones. That's why many women notice a flatter, firmer midsection within weeks when this movement is done consistently. This is what makes it powerful. It doesn't fight your body. It works with it. When metabolism feels supported instead of stressed, belly fat finally starts to respond. Even after 40, try holding your bridge for 20 to 30 seconds today and notice how your glutes, hips, and core wake up. Comment below if you felt your body activating. We love reading your experiences. Exercise number 1. Standing side bends with breath control. This final exercise may look simple, but it targets one of the biggest belly fat triggers after 40, hormonal stress. When done with slow, controlled breathing, standing side bends activate the oblique muscles along the waist while calming the nervous system. Research shows that rhythmic movement paired with deep breathing helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone strongly linked to belly fat storage in women over 40. As you gently bend from side to side, the muscles around your waist and rib cage engage naturally without strain. At the same time, deep breathing improves oxygen delivery and helps regulate insulin response, supporting better fat metabolism. This is important because after 40, especially during perimenopause and menopause, the body becomes more sensitive to stress. High-intensity workouts can sometimes backfire, but movements like this signal safety to your body. When your body feels calm, it becomes more willing to release stored fat instead of holding onto it for protection. Slow side bends with breath control don't just work the waist. They tell your metabolism it's safe to let go. Try 10 slow side bends today and notice how your waist, core, and breathing feel. All the exercises you've just seen share one critical thing in common. They activate large muscle groups without spiking stress hormones. After 40, especially during perimenopause and menopause, cortisol stays elevated more easily. High cortisol tells the body to protect fat, particularly around the belly. That's why intense workouts often backfire at this stage of life. These movements do the opposite. They improve insulin sensitivity. They gently rebuild muscle. They calm the nervous system. And they send a clear message to the body that it's safe to release stored fat. Why 30 days? Studies show it takes about 3 to 4 weeks for hormonal signaling and muscle activation patterns to shift. Not overnight, not in a week, but consistently over time. When done daily, these exercises help reset how your body handles energy. Belly fat becomes less stubborn. Consistency is the real secret after 40. Remember, consistency beats intensity, especially for women over 40. Comment below and tell us which exercise you'll try first. We love hearing your experiences. Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video where we share more simple, practical ways to take care of your body after 40. Thanks for watching. And let's keep building these small habits together.